All right, this is Journey for Christ Digital, home for soft skills, where we learn soft skills for free, where we grow ourselves to become a live breathing machine, a live breathing cash. All right, so you have to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel so that whenever anything is being displayed, okay, I release video hours every week. All right, so there are so many skills that is being learned here, okay, on weekly basis on our academy. All are premiums, so make sure you are connected and don't miss out anytime. Okay, don't go without subscribing. Subscribe. Okay. If you are just joining us, this is where you can make yourself a live reading machine, live reading cash. All right. So go to our YouTube, you see a lot of videos that have been done. Try and subscribe. That is the only thing you can do for us. Okay, subscribe. All right, like so that this thing can beat the YouTube algorithm. All right. So based on popular demand, freelancing. So I want to look at some basic things concerning freelancing. I have a lot set for us that I want to show us, and I will advise you to watch this video to the end. Watch it to the end. All right, watch it to the end. I have an offer to offer everybody that watch this to the end. Okay, so we're not wasting time. So let's just go to freelancing make you be your own boss. If you want to be your own boss, you want to start making cool money as a nursing mother, as a housewife, as a man that have multiple means of work, this is the best thing for you to do. So gone are the days when everybody think that freelancing is scarce, is hard. They are going to show you both the local way of doing it and the international way of doing it. All right, all the same. All what you want is money, money. All right. So money is the constant thing here. So let's move on. Table of content, freelancing explain advantages and disadvantages, type of freelancing, 10 international freelancing sites and 10 local freelancing sites. All right, sorry for that site. Okay, I'm going to show us that. You have to know the international sites you can do it. You can the one you can go with, and the local site. Okay, most of us are still used to Fiverr and Upwork. There are other more better one. All right. So just that they have large market. Fiverr, Upwork, especially Fiverr, they have large market. So others are also paying, and few people are there. In this Nigeria, you have local ones that are paying. All right. So let's go into our work. All right. So what we have here, freelancing concept. Freelancing is a type of employment where individuals work independently and offer their service to a client on a project basis. Okay, you work independently. You work because you have a skill. You work at home, you work anywhere you are. Okay, I've answered the client in a transit. Okay, in a transit to deliver a graphic work, a logo. Okay, so you can work anywhere. You have the freedom to choose the product you want. Okay, you have the right to say, I don't want this, I want this. You can set your own rate, payment rate. Okay, on my Fiverr, I have $5 worth of skill. All right, so you can set as a starting person, you can't be telling me that you want 100K for a project. You don't have style, you don't have anything. That is the problem with high rates uh Fiverr. Okay, so you are responsible of managing your own schedule and finances. If you are a freelancer, you are responsible of managing your own money. You determine when to work. If you are working 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. as a freelancer, it is your choice. All right, so they offer you their services and you give them their work. Especially freelance and Fiverr up, you don't joke with their customer. If you do rubbish and they drop a bad review about you, forget it. So this is being your own boss. This is the aspect of being your own boss as a freelancer. Okay, you set your pace, you have freedom. As I do see, the kind of weather that we are right now, it's very difficult for somebody like me to wake up 7 a.m. and go to work. All right, so that is why I have diversified means. Sometimes I can be in my room, okay, making cool money while on bed. Sometimes I even feel guilty like, why you guys on bed? Why are you on bed? Okay, so that is what it does for you as a freelancer. Don't forget, you must have a skill to be a freelancer. All right. So advantages: flexibility. Yes, you have the control of your workload. Okay, you can work at your best time, at your free time. So it is flexible. Autonomy: freelancer have the freedom to choose the project they work on. Yeah, you select. No force. If you are working with a boss, you are compelled to do something you don't want to do. But in freelancing, you are the one that select the kind of work you want. You are independent. Yeah, you work with yourself. If you are not making money, it's yourself. If you are making money, it's yourself. You are the company, or you are the owner of your company as a freelancer. Okay, if you have a bad review, you are the one that will chop out. If you have a good review, you are still the one that owns it. All right. So diversity, yes, you can work with different clients on different projects at the same time. Okay, so you have to learn different industry. All right. So that diversify. You have some people, they have an autonomy skill. They have only one skill. Okay, that is your with your one skill, you can still work in multiple aspects. All right, you can still work. You can still work with more client based on how flexible and how fast you are. You have any potential. You have the end to you have to earn more than your normal job. Yes, they pay in dollar. They pay in naira sometimes. They pay in dollar on some site also. Most of them pay in dollar. So you have to negotiate your pay. Okay, once you have set your pay there, you have the chance to get your desired money. All right. So because of our time, there are some disadvantage you need to check also. All right. So the inconsistent income, yeah, it's not that consistent. Okay, you cannot predict your earnings. You cannot predict your earnings. So that is why to have other means of work that you are doing. Don't depend on it. Okay, don't put all your life on it unless you are a rank star on all those freelancing side and they know you that you deliver. All right, but are just starting up. Okay, please, the income is inconsistent. Need for self promotion, yes, some sites they give you availability to market yourself to their clients. So you have to pay some money to do that. I've never done that before though. So you have to market to their clients. You have to some people buy reviews, all those kind of things. Okay, so you have chance to promote yourself. So which will cost money. All right. Lack of employee benefits. Yes, they does not receive benefits such as health insurance, retirement, no retirement. Isolation, yes, you work alone. Okay, you work alone unless you have a team. All right. Uncertainty, yes, yes, there's no certainty that you are going to get work. Okay, is there's instability of cash flow. There are times that I told someone that January, my last earning on Fiverr was January. All right, not because I'm not good in what I'm doing. There are too many on that Fiverr. And the way you pitch your gigs differs. All right, I don't focus on that also. I'm going to show you some of the easiest way you can make your money without all these big name sites. All right, so let's go to the next one. Types. Yes, you have so many. When I say types, the skills you can render there. Okay, the skills you can render there. Writing and editing skills. All right, I'm Amazon KTP student. You are making money with our writing skills on Fiverr. All right, you can edit. Yes, I did the work. If you are following my status, I did the work this week. If I want to edit, I want to translate 100 pages English to Igbo language. God, God, I sweat, but I deliver. All right. Graphic design, you have the web design here, which that is the most common. Social media, that is the most common, and the translation of it. Consulting and coaching freelance. If you are a coach, if you are a consultant, social media, yes. I've taught us how to manage Facebook. Ordinary Facebook can make money for you. What I've taught us so far, graphic that I've taught us, the way I've taught us, develop yourself. You don't expect 100%, all right? Even in school, university, give us 60%, 40%, you are the one that develop others. So please try and develop yourself. Virtual assistance trainer, yeah, you are acting as a virtual assistant, working from home. Translation and interpretation, yes. That translation is working very well. translate it to other languages, translate it to their languages. Accounting and bookkeeping, programming and software. We have many. These are the few 10. You have many. So look at it. Look at what you have. And if you need to learn a skill, learn a skill. Learn a skill. Okay, I have a course on web design. I have a course on graphic design. I have a course on Amazon KDP that you can get for yourself. I have a course on WhatsApp marketing, social media marketing. Get yourself a skill. See, I used to say something. Without skill, you can kill. Yes, without skill, you can kill. Frustration can kill. Alright, so 10 international freelancing sites. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Guru, people per hour. Top Tower, 99 Design. Look at this site. They are international. They pay in dollar. Alright, Upwork and Fiverr has been the norms. Okay, have you tried Freelancer? Have you tried Guru? Put your hands into it. Check into it. It's very easy. Register as a seller. Okay, so check their site one by one. That is how you can move. I have like 2. I have someone that is working on all the 10. Yeah. That guy, respect. Alright. So local freelancing site. With this local freelance, I'm going to work on 4 or 3. I'm going to do a video on 4 or 3. Confirm, NG, find, okay. The work click, business list. Most of us don't know that GG. Sorry, it's GG, not Genie. GG. yes. GG has a freelancing site. Yes, or there are some companies. Most of these are in Nigeria. Okay, most are in Abuja and Lagos. You don't need to go there before you work. You work from home. Naija, understand Naija. Okay, any country you are in all this Africa country, this thing work there very well. Alright, so it's either you use the local one, you use the international one. Conclusion: one of the most essential success in freelancing is mastery of skills rendered. Any skill you want to render, master the skill. Master the skill. Any skill you render, master it. Don't disgrace yourself. Okay, once they look at your work one day and they see that you did not deliver at the right time, you lose. Their review will stop. Their review will drop. Photographers, master your skills. Okay, that is how you can. And as I've told you, the income is unstable. Make sure you have other things you are doing. Okay, so if you stay to this level, you are a real MVP. Okay, so everything I've said so far, I've put them into PDF. All right, I've put them into PDF. So only people that have the chance to watch to this level should come to my DM, locate me, drop the comment that you need this, and I will drop it to your DM. Okay, drop a comment, subscribe if you have not subscribed, like this video, share to as many people that want to see this. And next video will be, I'll be taking those local and international. I will focus more on local. Okay, yes, that is where you can build yourself, build your portfolio with this local site. All right, so I'll be dropping it one by one so that get this and know the nitty-gritty before you enter into it. Don't enter because people are shouting it. All right, watch other videos that I've done on how you can develop your skill in social media level, develop your skill in digital marketing, develop your skill in graphic design. All right, so you guys, see you next in the next class. It is your boy Johnny from Class Editors. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Woody.